Hi, and welcome back in Learn Python 3 with Atif Masih series.
This is a third video of looping condition. In this video, we will discuss a very interesting game which is number guessing game. When I have discussed if-else statement, there I little bit discuss the number guessing game. Let me revise little bit what we have done in if-else statement. See here, in if-else statement, I simply created a program that take number from the user, and if the number is correct guess, then print congratulations, you win the game. Else, if the number is greater than the correct number, then print you are above from the right guess. Else, you are less from the right guess. But see here, in this example, we just have only one chance. But with the help of loop, we can create multiple chance for the user. User can have 5 tries, and in 5 tries, user must have to meet the challenge. Otherwise, print game is over. Try next time again. And see here how we will do this with loop. First of all, I will discuss how this game will work with for loop. Then I will explain in detail. See here, I have a variable which is correct number, and that is equal to 40. And see here, I want to create a loop of 5 tries. User will take 5 tries to check to guess the right number. And see here, in the loop I use a guess. In the loop I have used input, and with the help of input method, user can guess the number. And then I have used if guess is equal to the right number, then print you win, congratulations, and then break. Else, print please guess again. See here how this game will work. First I entered 34. It returned please guess again. Please guess again. Now I entered correct number. Congratulations. When I entered correct number, it returns you win, congratulations. But if I remove the break statement, and see here now, I enter correct number, and see here it asks for the input again, because our loop is 0 to 5. I want to break when user entered right number. That's why I use break here. Now we will discuss the game in detail. Before discussing this game, let me show you the demo of this game. I entered 34. It returned, your guess is less. Your guess is 5 to 10 numbers less. Guess again. Your guess is 1 to 5 number above. Guess again. Now see here, too high from the target. Guess again. I entered too low from the target. Guess again. Your guess is 5 to 10 number less. Guess again. And see here, now the game is over. Let me run one more time. Now I enter correct number and see here, congratulations, you win the game. Now we will discuss the code. See here, we have a variable for correct number, which is I entered 40. And see here, with for loop I will give chance to the user. In particular case I have given only 6 chance. And then see here, with guess number I will take input from the user, which is a number. And see here, after that I apply if condition. If the guess number is equal to correct number, which is our target, then congratulations, and break. Break will terminate the loop. In else part, see here, then again I use if the number is greater than correct, then see here, with the help of if, I am going to give hint to the user. If guess number is less than equal to 40, then print your guess is 1 to 5 numbers above. But if guess number is less than equal to 50, then print your guess is 5 to 10 numbers above. Else, if user entered greater than 50, then print too high from the target. Then elif. Again, if the number is less than correct number, then again I use two if condition. If the number is greater than equal to 35, then print your guess is 1 to 5 numbers less. And also with elif, guess is greater than equal to 30, then print your guess is 5 to 10 numbers less. Else, if user entered number less than 30, then print too low from the target. And see here, I have used print statement inside the else statement, which is first else. And see here, again I use else. This is a else part of for loop. If user completed all the chance and did not match the target, then game is over. You can improve this game with the help of random module. With the help of random module, we can generate a random number that is correct number. And please try this module on your own. And also, if you have any query, let me know in the comment section. In this video, we have covered a game using if else and elif and for loop. If you want to learn more interesting concepts of Python, please subscribe my channel and like and share my videos. And don't forget to click on bell icon so that you will get notified when I enter a new video. Thank you
Stay
so
tuned.
much
We'll
for
be right
watching my
back.
videos.